Okay, so so let me repeat that since I'm recording it now. The kill zone is anytime. I'm actually in a trade right now on US 30, so I got to make sure I'll be going back and forth to make sure
Okay, coach.
he hits my take profit. But anyway, yeah, the kill zone is anytime between the New York. You have the London kill zone, which is 1 to 5 a.m. These are you can trade any time of the day, really, if you understand the structure. But he's saying if you don't understand the structure yet and you're kind of totally new, then you just need to trade between 1 and 5 a.m. That's the London kill zone. And then if you can't trade London because you're in another country or something like that, then you just go to sleep and wake up and trade New York session. Or when you get off work late at night, trade New York session, depending on what country you're in. New York is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. ICT believes that you should be done trading by 11 a.m. That's the way he teach it with his day trading strategy because of the ICT silver bullet, which is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's a macro that forms every single day where you can have a trade set up. Okay, so that answers your question about the kill zone. So that's what he meant by the kill zones in this video here.
Okay, coach.
Okay,
Okay.
what's the next question?
Okay, and this one was actually a statement he made around the 25th minute. He said, but let me read the way he said, anytime you see a broken swing, you take the measurement of the previous projection, and like you take the measurement and you measure, like, to know where
Yeah,
to have your take profits
yeah. This
or
is the
something. So
isymmetrical. Yeah, he basically talking about symmetrical trading, or basically. So the question is,
the question is how, where, because he spoke of uh can I play the video
yeah,
from,
yeah, you can
because
play
I
it.
got
Yeah, play it.
the exact time.
Yeah, you can play it.
Yeah, 25, yeah, from here.
when it's broken right here. We went below here. If we retrace back into it, okay, I also purposely drew this a little bit past what would be expected as resistance. I've purposely allowed this to move beyond this low here to illustrate how support and resistance can be gray as well. It's not black and white. You're going to have to allow some flexibility with price. So when it starts to pull back deeper, okay, this still could set up the optimal trade entry. Okay, and while this isn't the exact level price was able to stave off a rally, it still was working within the previous range here and this high here as well. So we're still within a bearish market structure. So don't be lulled into thinking this is going to be a long to go higher, assuming again this is a higher level resistance level. And again, every little short-term retracement in here could be a catalyst for an additional entry using our smallest of the 3 time frames.
Is this,
Again,
Okay,
this is
so
all modeling off of the highest time frame.
what's the
Okay, and
question?
it is
yeah, so I did not really understand. I think it's before this moment.
So you're trying to ask
Yeah,
what about
he,
the swing highs and
yeah,
swing lows exactly?
yes, exactly, because he marked out some points, and some of the
Hold on.
points were
Hold on.
being.
You got a question about what is a swing high and what is a swing low? Is that the question, or
No, no. The question is because he said you could measure the projection like this upward, the first
oh, yeah, yeah,
upward
yeah, yeah. I see
rally.
what you're saying. Yeah, go to the chart. Go to
Yes.
the chart. Go to your chart. I'll show you exactly what he's talking about. I know what you mean now. Yeah, you can measure it. It is. Yeah, you can measure the breakouts. Yeah, I'll show you exactly what he's talking about. So just go to your chart.
Okay, coach. Hmm, I'm trying to go to the chart. Oh,
Okay, so go to your chart and then go to like the 15-minute chart or the 30-minute chart once you pull your chart up. I'm about to show you how to measure the projections like he's talking about.
okay. Don't be slow now.
Okay, so yeah, go to your chart. So I can go to your chart. So I can what he's talking about.
I don't know why my connection is slow now.
No problem. No problem.
Oh,
You have a mouse, right? Using your computer mouse or you got actual mouse?
yeah, I'm using a computer mouse.
Oh, okay.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm having an actual mouse too.
yeah. Because if you get it, you probably need to get a real mouse because that's the problem me and Big T was having. I was trying to show him some stuff and he couldn't really move the screen like he wanted to because he was trying to use the computer mouse. But cool, man. So scroll to the left. Scroll all the way to the left. Okay, hold on, wait. Scroll. Take your mouse all the way to the right slowly, and I'll tell you where to stop. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go with your mouse. Don't move the screen. Just move the mouse. Move your mouse, and that's it. Not the screen. To the right. 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 Right there. Right there. Right there. You see those two swings right there?
Yes, coach.
This is what he's talking about. Go ahead and get a trend line. What time frame is this? 15 minutes. Yeah, get a trend line. I'm about to show you something. Now, this is not a panacea like he talks about. This is not something you can always depend on. You got to have multiple confluences. Now, put your trend line at the bottom of that green wick, and then put it all the way at the top of the wick, and then we're gonna do a projection. Actually, put it at the bottom of the nope. Drag it down to the first one, the first high. Drag it down. Yeah, put it now. Put the blue line back down at the red wick. Put it back down at the red wick right there. Yeah. Now go back to the top and drag it down to the first high before it retrace down. Drag it down. Drag it down. Drag it down right there. Now go ahead and clone that line. And then put that line. This is what he's talking about in that video. Put that high at the wick high. Put that blue line at the wick high. Nope. At the next high. The next high up. The next high up. The next high up. The next high up. What's the next high up? Nope. You put it in the wrong place, man. Okay, so you got the blue line at the bottom, right?
Yes, coach.
Okay, so what's the next high going up? So we got the blue line. Then after you drew the blue line at the bottom, when it retraced down, then it went higher, and then it retraced down again, right? So where's the high? Where's the highest high before it retraced down again? Nope. Bring it down. 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 Bring it down to the left. 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 Bring it up a little bit right there. That swing right there is what I'm talking about. Not that one. Bring it to the right a little bit. Go slowly. Bring it to the right. To the right. Go down. 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 Go to the left slowly. 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 Right there. right there, the swing. That's the swing I was telling you about. That's what I'm trying to point out to you. I was asking you, where's the next highest high before the retracement? Now, you just seen yourself project. You just seen yourself project the. You basically predicted the next price action. So the way you got to do it is you have to mark up the first swing, and then you got to project it, and then put that line on the low, on the candle's low all the way. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. So what am I trying to explain? You just hold on. You just drew up the first push up, right? You marked it up.
Yes, coach.
You marked it up, and then you put you marked it as a blue line. Right now, what ICT is saying is you can use these symmetrical swings to predict the next high. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is when price retraces low and then it starts to go higher, you can predict, okay, get a trend line, get another trend line, and make it diagonal. Get a diagonal trend line and make it from left to right.
What's the trend line?
Yeah, just get a small trend line and put it at the first high. You see that first blue line you drew?
Yes, coach.
Okay, so put the trend line at the very high of the wick. Put the trend line at the very high and draw it all the way to where price broke out. Put the trend line at the very high.
The very high.
Put the trend line right there. Now draw it out to the right. Draw it out all the way to the right. Okay, now you see where price broke right there, right?
Yes, coach.
Okay, so where's the lowest low before price broke right there? Where's the lowest low before price broke right there? Where's that lowest low before price broke right there? Thank you. Right there.
Yeah.
Can you do something for me? Right click, man. This is annoying to me. Can you right click on your on a black piece of your chart? I don't like the mouse looking like that. It's too much in the way. Can you right click on right there? Right click. Go down to settings and make that mouse dotted. So click on crosshair. Click on crosshair, and then make it dotted. Click on crosshair. Click on crosshair. Crosshair. Click on crosshair. It's right up on the grid line.
Yeah.
Now go to the right and click. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. Right there. Click on the dots. Click on make it dotted because those lines are in the way. Now go ahead and click on the color right there. Right to the left. Right to the nope. Right there. Right there. Click on colors. Now pull that. We'll see where it says navigation opacity.
Yes, coach.
Pull it to the left because we want to lighten it up all the way to the left. 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 To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, about right there. That's cool. Now click on OK. Now we still gonna see the mouse, but we're not gonna see. We're gonna see it, but barely see it. I don't like it being in the way. But, you may want to lighten it up a little. We still can see it. Okay, so listen. So the way it works is you have to find once you mark up that projected low. Once you mark up that first projection. You have to wait for price to break the high, and then once price breaks the high, then you go ahead and clone the line. So let's do it. Delete that line. Delete that line. Let's do this all over again, like you was looking at price fresh. Delete it. Yeah. Okay. Now delete that line at the bottom too, because we did that yesterday, the other day. Now listen. Go to the scale. We're gonna show you how me and your friend did it yesterday. Go to the scale. Go to the numbers to the right. Go to the numbers. You see the numbers say 1.23. Yeah. Right click. Right click. Right click. Right click. Now go ahead and move that to the left. Move that to the left. It says move scale to the left at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay. Listen. Now what I want you to do. We want to act like we want to act like the candles are just now printing. So that means you have to drag the chart all the way to the right of the screen, so we can't see price to the right because it's confusing you. So drag price all the way to the right to where we have that first push at. Okay, listen, the candles are moving, so you're going to have to get the magnifying glass. Get the magnifying glass, go to the left, get the magnifying glass and zoom in because you're moving the whole chart now versus a specific area. Okay, now use the scales. There you go, use the scales. Okay, so now drag price all the way to the right of that screen where we can't see the candles to the right. So, okay, we'll keep going. Okay, now right there. Now listen, what we're about to do now is we're about to act like the candles are just now printing. So now price just pushed up and made a push up, right?
Yes, coach.
So what are you looking for now? You waiting for price to break what high? before you start marking up stuff.
I'm waiting for price to break this high.
Okay, so move the chart slowly to the left as if the candles were actually printing. Slowly, like how the candles actually would have printed. So we waiting, ain't broke that high yet. It hasn't broke the high yet.
No.
Not yet. Boom, right there. So what are you doing right now?
Okay.
It just broke the high, so now what do you got to do?
Mark that for.
Got to get that trend line and draw it out to show that it just broke that high. Now we got to get another trend line and put it where?
Okay, from this low to the high.
Nope, the lowest low, which is the wick low.
Oh.
So hold on, I'm looking at my trade. I'm currently in another trade. Hold on, I got to keep checking on it. So listen, you're gonna drag that. Yeah. So now what? Okay. So now what do you got to do? Okay. So wait. Now what do you do right now? What do you do right now?
Clone the.
Nope.
Clone this.
Why would you clone it and we don't have anything to see? That's why I'm saying people can't. You have to back test, man. When you back test, you got to delete everything to the right of the chart because you're talking about cloning and everything, and we don't. You haven't even seen price go make a high and retrace yet. So what do we need to do right now?
Okay, we have to wait for price to retrace.
Exactly. So move the chart to the left slowly, as if the candles were printing. This is how you should be back testing, by the way. Keep going.
Okay.
We want to see how high price can go, as high as it can go before it start retracing.
Okay.
Okay. No. Keep dragging. Oh, hold on right quick. Hold on. You was right. I'm sorry. You was right. Okay, let's go back. I'm thinking about. My mind is on my trade. And sorry about that. Go back. You was right. Go push price all the way to the right of the chart. All the way to the right to where we had that retracement. Yeah, you was right. Sorry about that. Go all the way to the right to where price broke out. Push it all the way to the right to where price broke out. Push the chart all the way to the right. You going to the left. All the way to the right to where price broke out. Keep going to the right there. Now what are we doing? What are you thinking now? What do we need to do now?
Mark up.
We need to clone that line. Yeah, you was right the first time. I was thinking about my trade. Sorry. We need to clone that line because price retraced and broke the high. So clone the line. Clone the symmetrical line. So now where do you need to put the low of that line after you clone it? Where's the low going to be at?
At the low of the reversement.
Exactly. The low of that retracement right there. Go ahead and put it exactly at the wick low.
Okay.
Hold on. So go back to pull your chart one to the right because I want to see. Pull your chart one to the right. I don't want to see that big. Yeah, right there. Now, where are you getting in at? What are you doing right now? Let's say you knew it. Let's say you knew it had to go up. It was guaranteed, and you don't know anything to the. Where are you getting in at?
I'm going to get it at the last.
No, go ahead and just get in right when price break that high. Just get in, and your stop loss should be where below that retracement low, right?
Yeah, below the retracement. Yeah.
Okay, so point to me. Where would you get in at? Right when price breaks what?
I've gotten it at this.
Nope.
Could I use a chart?
Show me where you show. Nope, you're not getting in anywhere over there. So where are you getting in at? Remember, you're getting in right when price breaks the high. So where are you getting in at? Move the chart to the left one so we can see the candle break. Move the chart to the left. So okay, so it just broke the high. So where are you getting in at?
Yeah.
Okay, so where the stop loss going to be at?
The stop loss will be below the.
Okay, thank you. So now, this is just a way. This is symmetrical trading, which ICT talk about now. This is a way using price action to predict exactly where price is going. So basically, you would do what? You would hold your long all the way up until price reaches the high of this blue line, right?
Yes.
Okay, so scroll it to the left slowly. Let's see what happened. this is just a pattern. Like I wouldn't depend on this at all, but I would use it as a matrix as a metric. But yeah, you see, so it kind of worked. I mean, it didn't go to the exact high, but it went,
Yeah,
maybe 10, 15 pips shy of the exact high.
that's good.
So that's kind of what he was talking about. Like it's called symmetrical trading. You price action will tell you how far it's going to go up.
Wow. That's everything
Okay.
broken.
So what's the next question?
Okay, that was basically all up on market structure because the whole video was pretty basic on positions, on the type of trade you should take. You should know the type of trader you are. If you do scalping or swing trading or day trading, and he spoke a bit of this market structure. So this was all he spoke about on market structure. Then I watched another video on other blogs.
Okay, so yeah, because the whole playlist I sent you, I just want you to watch at least 2 of them a week
Okay,
and write down all the questions you can. I don't want you to watch like 50. I don't want you to try to watch like 20 of them because this stuff is going to take time, man. I mean, this stuff really is going to take time for you to really get it. So right now, if you don't have any other questions, we could go over order blocks if that's what you feel like you need to learn next.
okay, coach.
Okay, so let me zoom out. All right, so what are you currently trading right now? Because I want to mark up because hold on, we got to finish. We got to finish doing a top down analysis. What chart were we on last?
Yeah, we did we worked on the GBP USD and Euro USD charts last week.
That's right. I think I was showing you divergence. Or was that your friend? I think it was you.
Yeah, yeah, or on divergence. Yeah, it showed me the bullish and bearish divergence.
Okay, so um, yeah, so click back on what are you trading right now? What are you trading and what is it you currently want to trade? So I want to mark up the order blocks.
Okay, today took a trade on AUD USD.
Okay, go to AUD
Uh,
USD. Did you win that
okay.
trade?
Well, I'm still in the trade there, well, but
Are you in a
it's
buy?
going. Yeah, I'm on a buy.
Nice, man. Okay, so uh, I don't want to mess with your analysis. Let's use another pair that you trade
Okay.
because
Mm,
because whether you're right or wrong, you need to see whether you're right or wrong on your yourself. So I don't want to like start marking up stuff. You be like, oh shit, I was wrong. You need to see that you were wrong on your own, not like me
okay.
marking the chart up. So let's go to a different chart you don't trade or that you're not trading right now. Um, Actually, go to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is something I think people should have marked up because it moves on a weekend. You can literally catch 100 pips over the weekend just by understanding structure. That's why I've been marking it up personally. Actually,
Okay,
you know what?
coach.
Go to Ethereum. Go to Ethereum. Go to Ethereum.
Ethereum.
Ethereum. Yeah. Goddamn, man, my trade is like picking up. Shit. I'm in a short on US 30, killing this shit. Woo!
Okay, Ethereum.
Hold on, man. I'm sorry. That bad boy just pushed down so fast. Oh man, hold on. I'm gonna have to pull up 2 charts or somehow. I mean, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Let me see. Um, because I want to get out right before it reverses. Um, hold on, quick. So, are you on Ethereum?
Should I take the Ethereum versus US dollar?
Um, just go to just see if you could just find Ethereum by itself. Well, just click on click on crypto, because the crypto is the one that actually moves on the weekend. The rest of these charts they actually pause until Monday, which is crazy. So click on crypto and then go. You just add it to your chart. Now you got to go over there and find it. Yeah. So basically, what I'm doing right now, the way ICT teaches that is liquidity is under the closed candle low and the wick low. So now I'm literally about to close all my trades, even though prices are gonna go lower. Oh, price just hit the next candle close low.
Which time frame are you
I'm sorry,
trading
man.
on now, coach?
Hold on. Let me share my tab because you still can learn from this. Now I'm in a short right now. So do you see my screen? Let me know when you see it. Okay, I'm about to stop sharing. You can share yours again. I don't know why.